Want to learn how to change colors of your text, or even better, make it a gradient? Stay with this tutorial. We're going to show you how. All right, let's get started. I have a blank presentation. Let's just go straight into the text. We'll add them in here. I'm going to make him more of a block font, and we will be so original. And I will just do gradient text. All right, we want to blow this up, make them fairly big, covering a good part of the canvas. I want to tighten the line spacing. There we go. We'll get them down there to where they're just about touching, something like that. And then we'll try to center them. My OCD can kick in here at all. All right, well, at least that's centered in there. Now what we want to do, let's make this a gradient color. Really, this is how you change the color at any time. You can give it any of these solid colors. That's kind of boring. Let's start by going to gradient. I want to add a third color just to make this stand out. And for the first one, I'm going to make them a dark red, right? Then for the middle section, you select the middle circle there. I'm going to take them into this turquoise area. Again, we'll keep the contrast high. I'll move it way out here to the upper left. And last but not least, we will grab the first bit of it. I'm going to set them on the yellow page. And again, keep that contrast high. All right, and there you have it. That's how we set the color for the gradient. With the white background, I don't think that really stands out as much as it could. So we will change the background to black. And yeah, I think that really pops out. Now, lastly, just for fun, let's grab our little emoji guy over here. I'm going to shove him in the corner. And there you have it. What do you folks think? Very simple, very easy. I hope you enjoy it, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video. Here's another video that YouTube thinks you might like, or just hit that subscribe button.